Hey guys, just so this truck I had to do for a DOT visual check. They couldn't see under the truck because there was mud, sediment, clay, just everything under the sun. I don't know where this truck was here in Alaska, but it was somewhere where I personally would not be sticking a truck because then you have this happen. So it clogged my drain 4 times, and then I just pulled it outside to where it was almost freezing weather just to pressure wash it outside. And I have a video segment of how nasty the dirt was. I mean, it trailed off for about 2.5 car lengths, and I charged the customer accordingly because of the amount of time and care I did do to their vehicle.
Got part of the mud off. It's getting an undercarriage because it got to get DOT testing. So just to let those know that are in the commercial truck field, if it is impossible to actually check for any leaks, damage, signs of wear and tear to get your vehicle up and running for business, I do undercarriage cleaning to where it's extensive, and that way you can get your test completed and done efficiently. Usually takes a day, less than that if I can get it in early enough. You can get it back same day turnaround.
That
Otherwise, check it
was
later.
power washed off of that car. Just huge amounts of dirt. I already mopped up in there because it was just nasty. I mean, it's still trailing out here, and I mean, it took gallons of water to get it clean, and then it's already going out into the street way down there. Otherwise, time for the next vehicle. I got an XL. What it looks like an Expedition. Let's do it.